We got a triangle here. Let's make it ABC, A, B, C, and then there's a square here. More or less. The two diagonals, so that this is the center of the square, right? So then this point is M, and let's connect M and A, and let's draw a line through M, but it's perpendicular to MA, right? So extend this side, and let's extend that side to there. And this is 90 degrees, and we put N here, L here. So we're trying to prove that NC equals AB and BL equals AC, right? So if you can see the congruency, and then you'll be able to prove it. So if we look at these two triangles, right, focus on this triangle and that triangle. This side equals that side, right? MB equals MC. B equals MC, right? And then you look at this angle here, that angle there. Because we know that, well, let's mark it up as number 1 and number 2 right there. Well, let's make this as number 3. All right. So we have angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 90 degrees, right? Because this is the right triangle, because that's a square, right? And the diagonals there are perpendicular to each other. So that's 90 degrees. And this, because this is the condition, this given condition that this line is perpendicular to MA, so that this is also 90 degrees. So we can have this angle 2 plus angle 3, that's also 90 degrees. And from here, we know that angle 1 equals angle 2, right? These two angles are equal. So we don't know if this side equals to that side, right? Well, we're trying to prove this side equals to that side. Well, let's do the angles. We have no information about this side and that side. So let's take a look at this angle and that angle, right? And this angle is 45 degrees. That angle is 45 degrees. Because in a square, well, because that's a square, whenever you have a square and you take diagonals, so every angle is 45 degrees, right? And this is 90 degrees right here. So that's 45, 45. And this part here, this plus that angle is 90 degrees because this angle is 90 degrees, right? And this angle plus that angle is also 90 degrees because this angle is 90. Right? It's totally 180. So that this angle plus that angle is also 90 degrees. So if I mark this up as 4, that's 5. So I'll have angle 4 equals angle 5. Right? And because, well, that's 45, that's also 45. I should mark that up, that's 45. So that 45 plus 4 equals 45 plus 5, right? So we got angle MBA equals angle MCN. So we have side or angle, side, angle. Right? So this, all of these, everything here proves that triangle MBA is congruent. That's the symbol we can use to prove that this triangle is congruent to the other one, as MCN. So usually this is how you would write it. So MB and MC are corresponding sides, right? So BA and CN are corresponding sides. If you write it this way, you always know which sides are corresponding sides, right? If you go with MA, the corresponding sides would be MN, right? So MA, MN. You can see it from here, if you do it in the right order. All right? So that from here, we know AB equals NC, right? So from here, see, BA, CN, these two sides are corresponding sides.
Yeah.
And in the two congruent triangles, corresponding sides are equal. So this proves that side BA or AB equals CN. So then you can prove this equals that in a similar way. Okay? Any questions? Is this how you